Welcome! If you value your privacy on Facebook and want to control exactly who can see your home location, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you step-by-step how to hide your home location from specific friends on the Facebook app for PC using the latest update. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your computer. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of your screen and click on your profile photo. This takes you directly to your personal profile page. Now you'll see several options under your profile. Find and click on the About section. This is where all your personal details are stored, including your home location. Inside the About section, look for the Overview tab. Here, you'll see a summary of your information. Find your home location listed among the details. Next to your home location, there's a small audience icon. It might look like a globe, two heads, or a lock, depending on your current privacy setting. Click on this icon to open your audience selector. A menu will pop up, showing different options for who can see your home location. Choose Friends Except from the list. This option lets you select specific friends who won't be able to view your home location on your profile. After you select Friends Except, a list of your friends will appear. Simply click on the names of the friends you want to exclude from seeing your home location. You can choose one person or several. It's totally up to you. Once you've made your selections, click Save Changes at the bottom of the menu. Your home location will now be hidden from the friends you chose, while still being visible to everyone else on your friends list. And that's it. You've just learned how to customize who can see your home location on Facebook, keeping your privacy exactly how you want it. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to check out more tips on managing your online privacy. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.